guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button for more update. Thank you. Okay guys, apparently Wafisha more social media, Wafisha left, right and center. The well-known and upcoming star Tebogo Mashego is now arrested after the allegations that he made in the past few days on Facebook and on TikTok. Are those allegations true or what? Allegedly, they say Tebogo Mashego said DJ Maphorisa and other artists like Shebe, they also joined Illuminati. Allegedly, guys. Allegedly. Okay, guys, please do like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more update. I really appreciate that. And please find the attached short video. Thank you.